Hi, how's it going? I just wanted to give a quick update on kind of where the channel's at, where things are at with me. You may have noticed that recently the frequency of uploads has reduced a little bit. That's basically just because I've been crazy busy. I've been tutoring a lot, which I really enjoy. It's very rewarding, but it does take time and energy. It gets to the point where I could maybe record a little bit of a video per day, but the frequency of uploads is definitely down from where it was. That will be continuing for a few weeks, at least a few months maybe, but beyond that point things will be back to normal. Then I'll have fast times and slow times. It is what it is. The other thing that I wanted to say, because I don't want to just leave you guys with nothing, is recently I've been tutoring a computer graphics course, which I really enjoy. It's been a lot of fun. And a part of that is I've been putting together practical resources, like computer prac resources. What that entails is more or less taking my own Pi OpenShell videos and remixing them, writing them up, writing a lot of documentation for them and stuff, taking different videos, different projects and kind of mashing them together. And I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with how that's coming along. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm just going to link it in the description below. Hopefully you find it enjoyable. And yeah, that's what I've been doing. And I just want to take a second to thank everyone who's been coming along with us on the Get Into Game Dev journey. I hope things are going well for you. Hope you're enjoying the process of learning. I know I am. I'm learning all the time. Anyway, that was just a quick one. And yeah, more stuff is coming soon. Thanks and bye.